Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. And now we did have a pretty big dump yesterday, but overall, some of the recovery has taken place. Now let's see, because these descending triangles, whenever they break out, they have a target. Target is from the top to the bottom. Then you can see we almost met the target, okay? But now it normally takes few days to meet these targets, but since we had a panic sell, it just there was a dump in the market, so it just went in a free fall. But you can see normally when these descending triangles break out, they create these kind of patterns. Okay, this is called an falling wedge, and now it's outside the falling wedge, but it's trying to get back in, but let's see what happens, because even if you go to the RSI, you can see this was the pattern, and then it's finding some resistance right over there. Okay, so if it can break this, it's going to come back in this pattern. Now even if we take a Fibonacci and this move right over there, you can see, and let me just get rid of the EMAs. Okay, you can see that how it has respected the Fibonacci levels. Okay, it came, okay, it's a little bit over here, not over there. Yep, right over there. So now you can see this was it was holding the descending triangle at 0.382 level, which was at 0.67 cents. Then it came down to this level. Okay, you can see the support 0.5 at the, well, what is this price? 0.59 cents. Okay, then it broke it, fell below to the 0.618, which is the golden ratio. Then it went a little bit below and it hit the 0.48 level. Now some recovery has taken place. It's coming back up, but it's trying to hold the 0.5 level. Okay. Now if this happens, that's great. It can break this resistance, get back in this, and then bullish momentum can start. Even if it comes back, okay, this support is a solid support, 0.618. But everything depends on the market sentiments now, because Bitcoin has taken a fall and it has broken uh, this resistance for itself. Bitcoin has fallen out of this falling wedge, so it has caused this drama in the market. But Bitcoin is creating a like a ascending triangle right now, where if it breaks, it goes to the upside. Okay, but every time there is a break, show you. Okay, if we turn it upside down, you can see where this, okay, it broke out right from here. Okay, now it's coming back to retest 50. What is it retesting? Okay, it's coming back to retest this level, this wedge. Okay, and it sits around 52. Let's see, what is it? Okay, it's coming to retest this level, 55,000. Okay, if it does that, great. Because it will also retest this level right over there, the 52 level, which is this high over here. So if it breaks that, it might have a retest of 55 as well. Okay, if it breaks this level, but it's trying to come back up. But let's go back to Crow. Now, Crow, um, let me go to the lower time frame, 30 minutes, and you can see what shape it's forming. It's creating higher highs at the moment. Okay, higher lows, I mean. And it is also creating something like this. Now this is, you could call it a symmetrical triangle, but symmetrical triangle, it's making bearish patterns in the symmetrical triangle, okay? Even if, it breaks to the upside, it can get back in this wedge. Okay, it's going to get back in the wedge. Okay, if it breaks to the downside, I mean, whenever you have a symmetrical triangle to the upside, it is a continuation pattern. So they normally break to the upside. Okay, but if it breaks to the downside, it's coming back over here, 0.56. But overall, I mean, we need some bullish sentiments back in the market. I mean, it did recover quite a bit because after a fall of 0.48, it has come up. And you can see exactly where the resistance was. The resistance was right over here at the wedge formation, which wasn't formed in actual, but that was still the resistance where it's getting from right over there. Okay, but if we can get back in, that's going to be really good, and we can then move on with this formation. Okay, let's say this never took place. If the price action gets back in it, okay, then we could have had a breakout right over there. Okay, so let's hope we can see, in the coming maybe hours or something, if what plays out. But these are your strong levels, the 0.618, which is at 0.533 cents. And at the moment, it's battling 0.5 level, which is at 60 cents. Now, let me take a look some other areas. Yeah, and you can see the 20 moving average creeping up to the price in the 4-hourly as well. So that's going to be a challenge as well. In the 1-hourly, it's fighting it right now. Okay, so we need to be above the 20 moving average in order to have the bullish sentiments. Let me just put it this way. Okay, because in the daily time frame you can see it has come below it. So if we come in the wedge, we're gonna be over it now. Okay, so let's just hope we can get over in the wedge, and the 20 moving average can come into we can go over that 20 moving average. Okay, but okay guys, this was just like a quick one, and if we can get this RSI back in this channel over here, that would be good. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much. Have a good day, and hopefully market confidence comes back, and Bitcoin start moving upwards or start creating new patterns, because we haven't lost this yet. We haven't gone below, so that's still good. But all right guys, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Hopefully this video brought you some information and knowledge, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.